Hello, Cosplay World! We have been working on our costume, however, we have some battle damage that we've accumulated through the crafting process, and hey, everyone's not perfect. Sometimes we cut things wrong or something happens, and we need to repair our cosplay. So, we are not going to be using wood filler to repair EVA foam. This is not a good choice in my personal opinion, because wood filler dries to a very rigid form, and if you add it to EVA foam, which is a very flexible material, it chips out and breaks away fairly quickly, and then we have to refill it again, and it gets messy because now we have to combine wood filler that's still existing with whatever we're filling it with afterwards. And what do I suggest we use to fill cracks and creases and damages in our EVA foam? Well, I suggest a silicone caulk as a filler. The popular brand is Quick Seal for this. However, other filler repair silicones will work as long as they match the color or are clear. One thing that it sucks about a lot of silicone caulks, especially if you get one for bath and tile, is that they don't work particularly well with paint. So sometimes you might want to choose an outdoor one because those are a little bit easier to paint and finish, or you can mix paint into them, which is a whole other video. But in that case, definitely not wood filler for fixing these projects. You'll just end up with either more cracks or having to fill it up again. I hope this helps you. Hope this saves you a little bit of time. Thanks for watching. Good times to all. Listen, I got cosplay tutorials, con coverage, and general cosplay fun. Why don't you stick around a bit?